Hello, do you know your subtraction number bonds for the number 14? If you don't, that's great, because we're going to teach you that today. So, subtraction number bonds, all that means is what number subtracted from another equal 14. So, what two numbers together subtracted equal 14? So you could have an easy one. Let's start off with 15, take away 1. That's really easy, but also a great one, because that obviously equals 14, because we're only subtracting 1. It's very easy to work out. Okay, what about this one though? If I went 16, take away 2, does that equal 14? Yes, well done. That equals 14, so that's another great one. Or, finally, what about this one? Really use your noggin for this, okay? What is 20 take away 6? Does that equal 14? Yes, well done. It does, really good. So they're all subtraction number bonds for the number 14, okay? Just remember, you're looking for two numbers which subtracted together equal 14. So use this information, play the next game, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.